Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about mining for gold in Jamaica. Now, a lot of discussion has been taking place about the drilling for oil on the south coast of Jamaica. But Jamaica also possesses gold, and Jamaica could be on the verge of a mining revolution as Barrack Mining Corporation, one of the world's largest gold mining companies, begins major exploration activities on the island. With millions of US dollars being invested to search for gold and copper deposits, many believe this could transform Jamaica's economy, create jobs, and open a new era of industrial development. So a lot of development is taking place in Jamaica. And if you notice, it's the largest companies in the world that are coming to Jamaica. The largest oil drilling companies, the largest gold mining companies. So we are going to give you more information on the mining, the gold mining in Jamaica. The decision by Barrack Mining Corporation, one of the world's largest gold mining companies, to begin exploration activities in Jamaica represents a major milestone for the country's mining sector and economic future. The company's partnership with Geosfix Jamaica Limited has generated excitement across the island as many see it as a sign that Jamaica could soon emerge as an important player in gold and copper mining within the Caribbean. Barrack is globally recognized as one of the most powerful and successful gold mining corporations in the world. The company operates major mines across Africa, North America, Latin America, and the Middle East, producing millions of ounces of gold annually. Its arrival in Jamaica sends a strong message to international investors that the island possesses serious untapped mineral potential. The exploration program announced by Barrack and Geofix Jamaica Limited includes an initial investment of approximately US 20 million focused on identifying gold and copper deposits. This level of investment is significant because major global mining corporations do not spend millions of dollars on exploration unless geological studies suggest promising possibilities beneath the surface. Government officials have already indicated that early exploration results appear encouraging. If commercial-scale deposits are eventually confirmed, Jamaica could witness one of the most important economic developments in its modern history. Gold mining would introduce an entirely new export industry capable of generating billions of Jamaican dollars in economic activity over time. The presence of one of the world's largest gold mining companies could also attract additional international investment into Jamaica. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.